That's just sitting on the animals and shit on. We can down there.
Here, there's an old guy over here. He was making knives out of railroad pipes. You want to wait for the next tram, ride it around? There's the stop. So you got to, when one comes up close, you got to sit down there. They won't stop because we're just standing around. This is the guy that's making knives right here. Yeah. If you ask him for in a minute when he's not busy, he'll bring him over and show you.
We just put an L in. That ought to work. That will really save the land.
Drone over here flying.
Hey, man. Hey. Hey.
Shoot it.
How long?
That's the government.
Can we just put an L handle in it?
Well, it's better if you have a key, that way I can grab a hold of it. When the brushes are plugged up,
Can you go from both ends?
no, I just go from the front.
And hopefully this is going to be longer than this.
Oh, that should be funny.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. We're trying to get it right for you.
I appreciate it. What are we? No, what are we? You got material in behind it. What are you?
Nothing.
We're demonstrating blacksmith. We should thank you for letting us play with your toys.
See, here's the deal. Jeff Bruce, years ago, Billy McCarthy needed blacksmith, and everybody wanted to pay to come up here. We come up here and we play. We have fun. We should pay these guys.
Yeah, but you got money and stuff.
Except for the stand.
All right, here's what we got.
That's cool.
What are you gonna do?
They're making a brush. You open the door on the front of the boiler, and it gets all caked up in there, and they need to clean it out. So they are demonstrating blacksmithing, making a brush handle for the guy over here that needs one.
All right. Well, I knew he called him over.
Yep.
This is where you have fun, Jim. Don't worry about that hammer. Don't worry about it. You'll put this one in the light.
I just got it cracked. What is he doing?
You cooled it too quick. You cooled it too quick.
I mean, you know, I didn't even have it cracked off the floor. We had this thing, original milk.
See what you got.
Wish I could find
Billy
any
McCann
boards like
in here.
that.
I ain't seen him this morning, but I know he's here. I know he's here. Somebody should survive.
Tools, everything. Belonged to his dad.
That's why I asked you.
It's set up at the back of his yard, right behind his house. Nobody touches it. Still works. And nobody uses it.
Can you use flash? You
And
don't
I
use
asked him
that.
again a couple of years ago if he wanted to sell it. He said, "No, I'll never sell it. You have to talk to my daughter." I said, "Don't."
That's all right. Go ahead and do it.
That's cool though, how they got one there get rid of it dead. But the kids don't know a damn thing about it.
Got it?
So, yeah.
Well, that's what I'm afraid of. She'll just get rid of it for nothing.
Pretty much, yeah. And that's where they should set them down. Like, this is where so yeah. But they don't.
They're all right. You got hurt. They're all right.
Somebody in there.
Hey, morning. What's going on?
They're making tubes through the brush. This is the brush to clean out the tubes on steam engine.
Oh, cool. Cool. You sure it will work this year?
Yeah. We get to play with their toys.
Yeah.
Toys are good.
What is your toy? Yeah. You're all right. Cool, isn't it? See what you got. Oh, you put a
go back up this way.
Yeah, no. Stand in there. Yeah, but you want to put your hand in there.
No, I don't think so.
Now, let's put your hand in there. We're done.
Where we at?
Whole town.
Okay.
Hall.
H-A-W?
H-A-L-L.
We got my free labor yesterday. I'm free to go away. I was
Law gave away
19 and 3/4 on the tractor now will be Sabrina Custer. Sheila, please go to the tractor. On deck, Robert Eaton. Robert Eaton, you're on deck. One hand on Sabrina Custer. Good job, Sabrina. On the tractor now, Robert Eaton. Robert Eaton, please go to the tractor. On deck, Brantley Taylor.
You old folks remember how you did it. You know, and they'll stop off right there. Remember how we did this.
Sheila Brown, you're on deck.
This is the cover that was on there, but I took it off.
Mhm.
So it's, yeah.
if you could get enough head on it, you could run a little generator or something.
Couldn't run much.
20 and 1/2. 20 and
That's a B4 Wisconsin, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's it out of?
I just got it like that. I don't know what this one powers.
That one's not going anywhere. Unless you've got something you really want to say for
That's a newer one than mine. It's got the twin cylinder on it. But it's pretty close. Looks about the same.